All right, what's up, Lakeside? Day 2, we're going to get after this. We're going to be graphing points using a table. So today's assignment for IXL, go to U2, and then there's a dot right after it. U2, and then go to the dot right after it. It's called the new one. There's not a name for it yet. That's what we're going to be working on today. Okay. Today, again, we're going to be using our XY chart. Y is always on the vertical, and X is always over here on the horizontal. You always start at your origin, 0, 0. Today for this one, 4, 9. Remember, the first numbers are X, second numbers are Y. So we go over 9, and we go up to 4, right over here. We're going to plan the spot over 4, or over 9, up 4. Again, if I did it the other way, and I mixed the numbers around, and I went over 4 and up 9, I'd end up over here. We don't want to end up over there. All right. This one. Now, this one's kind of nice. It's 10, 10. You can't mess this one up. Even if you got X and Y mixed up, you'd still be able to find it going over 10. So starting at my origin, 0, 0, go over 10, go all the way up to 10. This would be my spot. Not bad. We'll try one more, and then you're going to be graphing them. Again, XY chart, and eventually you're going to see them something like this. Oopsie, for whatever reason. Are we not able to write anymore? Technical error. We'll figure this out. Owen. But I go over 6, up 5. My X is always the first number. Second number is always Y. So over 6. And then I go up to the 5 over here. So 6, 5 puts me right here. 6, 5. Yes. And so now we're going to try the other part of your assignment today. We're going to go to the first dot right after the U. So if you go to U, U2 is what we were just doing. This is the newest one. It's called graphing a point from a table. So you're just taking the information from a graph and you're just plotting it out. So we'll see what that kind of looks like here. So this one I have to kind of read the graph a little bit up here. And if I read this graph, let me do it. Yeah. It says chocolate chip cookie recipes. And this makes sense. If you've ever seen the back of like a pancake mix that you're making, it'll say, all right, I want 1 pancake, 2 pancakes, 3 pancakes, 4 pancakes, whatever it is. Well, this is one batch. This is how much vanilla extract. So if I make 1, I need 2 of these. If I make 2, I need 4. It's just doubling. And eventually you're going to have to find out what the rule is. And you have done that before. But for this, we're just going to go on the side. Now this one says vanilla extract. Okay? So the number of vanilla would be vertical, my Y. Can't write on it. Something's goofy over here. But this would be my Y. And my X is on the bottom here. Is going to be the number of batches. So as I graph these, I'm going to scroll this down. It says number of batches. Well, I'm going to go over 1 and up 2. So I go over 1, up 2. And the reason I know that, number of batches. Number of batches, 1, over 1. Vanilla extract, 2, 1, 2. And this next one, I have 2, 4. So I go over 2, up 4. My next one, I have 3, 6. So I go over 3, up to the 6. And if you kind of notice right here, it's making a straight line. And when we were graphing those before, we said, if your number ends up way over here, we maybe made a mistake. We don't want to go there. So our next graph is going to be 4, 8. Go over 4 and up 8. Now, how do I get rid of you? No, let me just touch it again. So I make a straight line, which it looks like it made it pretty straight. I go to submit it. Hopefully that works for me. Yay. Let's go to this next one over here. So milkshake recipes, okay? Milkshake recipes. Well, if I want to make number of milkshakes, 1, 2, 3, 4, kind of nice in here, and they go the same kind of order. It doubles. So I look at here, scoops of ice cream, that's going to be my Y, my second number. Number of milkshakes, that's going to be my X. So I go 1, 2. All right, go over 1, 2. The next one says 2, 4. I go over 2, up 4. 3, 6. Over 3, up 6. And notice I'm always starting here, the origin, 0, 0. Always starting down here at this bottom part, 0, 0. So now I have 4, 8. I go over 4, and I go up to the 8. And again, it should make a straight line connecting them mathematically. And then you could always plot in more if you needed to. Okay? That's today's lesson. Remember, you're going to do U2, not the band from Ireland, U2, and then the next dot that's right after it. Try to get 80%. I know you guys are going to rock it. It'll be great. And we'll see where this goes for tomorrow. See you, bye. Forgot to shut it off.